Hey, welcome back to Cut It Out episode 9. Today, we're going to talk about how to save contours. Now, saving contours is something you're going to want to do when you contour something, especially if you contour something that's complex and you're going to be using that over and over again. You don't want to have to go in and go through the steps each and every time you want to use it. It's a very simple process. I'm going to show you how to do it. This is a great thing to save time. Also, if you're doing shapes, it allows you to build your own shape library. These libraries can be used for all sorts of things in education, to cut out into cardstock, and also to cut into images to make fun and exciting shapes. I'm going to roll some video here, and we're going to go through the process, and I'm going to show you how to do it. All right, let's take a look at how to save contours. So I have an image here that we're going to work with, and I'm going to go ahead and bring that onto the layout window, and we'll open up our contouring menu. Now I'm going to trigger the algorithm to create the contour by choosing contour from the type, and you can see it's got all sorts of contours in the interior. So we're going to adjust the threshold. We're going to bring that up to 99, and that gets rid of all those other contours in the center there. But we do need to contour this little notch for a keychain. So we're going to bring down the minimum diameter. And by doing so, we're going to also create some contours inside this picture that we're going to have to get rid of. So we've got our keychain punch out contoured. And now we're going to go down to our contour selection tools and turn off the contours that we don't want. And simple drawing a marquee around them and hitting the X turns those off. This is something that you'll use frequently if you're contouring, complex types of images that have a lot of white inside the item that you're contouring, because those will often be picked up by the algorithm. All right, so we've got those. Now we're going to hit save, and we're going to save the raster and the contour into a PSD file. And we can choose the folder that we want to save these in. I've created a folder here. So let me go find that. And there we go, My Image Contours, and we'll open that up, and I'll save this into that folder. Now I can also save this as just the contour itself to be used as a shape. So I'm going to go back to save, and I'm going to select Save Contour Only. Now these always get saved into a shapes folder that's in the image print directory. And it uses a default name. You can change the name, but you can't change the folder. All right, so let's remove that, and then we'll go to the folder in my image browser here of my contours. And there's the one we just saved, and you can see the contours already on it. And we're going to go and say for our contours browser, and this looks at that shapes folder, and you can see the shape that we saved into there. And now this shape can be used to cut into cardstock. It can also be used as sort of a cookie cutter into an image, and lots of uses for education and different things. But it's as easy as that. That's how you save your contours to be able to use them over and over again. All right, and that's all there is to saving contours. It's a very simple process, but yet powerful, and something that you should work into using so that you don't have to recontour things over and over again. Please leave me a comment below if there's anything else you'd like to see. We're always looking for ideas, so leave us a comment and let us know if there's something you'd like covered in a future video. Until then, we'll see you next time.